Hi everyone, John from Backyard Food Garden again, and we're back here in the garden, and I wanted to show you, we planted this strawberry garden this year from roots. So we got the strawberry roots and we planted them in here. So these are all first year plants. And what I wanted to talk to you today is there's a lot of questions going on as far as should I pick my flowers off of the first year strawberries. And it's a hard thing to do because you want to get the strawberries, you want to try them out, and it's just hard because look at them. I mean, it's up to you. Basically what happens is if you cut some of these flowers off, you'll start to build up the roots. But there's something else to look at. If you have really nice compost soil, then you're going to have a nice root system anyway. Okay, so there's a couple different things you can do. You can either just leave them alone, or you can cut all of them or some of them, or you can give them phosphorus, which will also help with the roots. It's your choice, but don't stress over it, because a lot of people have been thinking like, oh my goodness, I got to cut all these flowers off. And this is your garden. You do what you want to do. You can experiment as much as you want. But what I want to tell you is these are Charlotte strawberries. So this is a day neutral variety. We're going to get these from June into the fall. So yes, if I do cut some of these flowers off, I may get a better fall harvest. But at the same time, I want everything now. So I want to try my strawberries as soon as I can. And, you do what you want to do. It's going to be okay. Don't stress about it, and just enjoy your garden. That's all we have for today. I'll see you next time.